Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fit text in a cell on Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Sheets, just click on the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, when text is too long for a cell, it can become difficult to read it as it spills over the neighboring cells. Obviously, fitting text within the cell ensures that it remains contained and easily readable without requiring users to resize columns or rows. Now, for us to be able to do that, what you can do is go to your Google Sheets account and let's click on the blank spreadsheet. And from here, we can rename this file as something like that. Now, the thing is, say for example, in this column A, I'm going to put something here. And for the column C, I'm going to put something different data. So basically, there's two ways for you to fit a text in a cell here in Google Sheets. And the first method is just click on the entire column here. Go to Format and click on Text. Click on Wrap, under Wrapping, right? As you can see, the text has been fitted inside the cell. So that's one way. Now, the next step that we're going to explore is click on the C column, right? Right click on it. Click on Resize Column, right? And click on Fit to Data. As you can see, so you have two ways to fit text in a cell in Google Sheets. So let me do that again for you. Number one is select the letter A, column, go to Format, go to Wrapping, and click on Wrap. Okay? Now, the next step is click on the column that you wanted to work with. Click on it, right click, and click on Resize Column, and click on Fit to Data. Okay? Now, remember that fitting text within the cells enhances accessibility by making content easier to read for users with visual impairments or limited screen space. It ensures that all users, regardless of their viewing environment or device, can access and comprehend the information presented on the spreadsheet that you are working. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.